Hi, I'm Olivia Jones and I will be your culinary guide, and I am thrilled you have decided to join us for one of our cooking classes. To ensure the safety of all of our participants, we have developed a few guidelines for working in the kitchen. Guideline number 1 is to wear the proper clothing. For obvious safety reasons, we encourage closed-toed shoes. Please refrain from wearing neckties, dangly jewelry, or scarves, and make sure that your sleeves do not dangle. However, we will not kick you out for wearing flip-flops. Guideline number 2 is pull your hair back. If it is long enough to do so, please pull it back. Otherwise, everyone should refrain from touching their hair during food prepping. If you forget, that's perfectly fine. Just wash your hands. You may choose to wear a hat during food prepping, and that is a great way to keep hair out of the food, but it is not required. Guideline number 3 is wash your hands. Prior to preparing food, after using the bathroom, after coughing, sneezing, or even itching, please wash your hands at the hand washing sink. Use warm water, soap, and scrub for 20 seconds. Guideline number 4 is wear your apron. Aprons protect your clothes because in my class we often get messy. Wear your apron when cooking and remove it when going to the bathroom or taking a break. Guideline number 5 is watch your knife. Practice safe knife handling by keeping a firm grip on your knife. Use the claw position with your non-cutting hand, and make sure when moving through the kitchen with a knife that you keep it down by your side and point the tip down to the floor. Place knives to the back or left of the sink prior to washing. Never place anything sharp in soapy dishwater. Guideline number 6 is taste your food, but use a clean spoon or fork each time you taste. I encourage tasting. In fact, it allows you to control your food. The salt and spices that you add to your food is unique to you. So taste as you cook. Just grab a few spoons or forks from the silverware drawer to help you along the way. Guideline number 7 is cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze. If you feel a sneeze coming on, try to leave the prep area. Cover your mouth with the crook of your elbow and then wash your hands before returning to food prep. Guideline number 8 is sanitize after handling meat. If you cut meat, your cutting board and knife need to be sanitized after handling meat, as well as the surface around where you've been cutting. Wipe the countertops and use a sanitizing solution. Then wash your hands before performing your next task. Guideline number 9 is have fun. You can't do anything wrong in my kitchen. There is no dish that cannot be fixed or saved. This is a great time to experiment with your cooking abilities as long as you're safe. Guideline number 10 is try everything. I attempt to pick very tasty and interesting recipes to expand your culinary palette. So try everything. Also help with everything. The best way to grow your confidence is to just jump right on in. I hope you enjoy my class and sign up for many more. I look forward to building a relationship with you based on fun and learning. See you soon.